absolutely love watching these videos. So I'm committing now to making more of them. Both kids are in school, and so I finally have the peace and the quiet in the home to dedicate to my YouTube channel. So expect to be seeing more from me. Lots of nutrition, fitness, lifestyle, maybe even relationship stuff. But if you love watching these what I eat in a day videos, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below saying, yes, Lily, more videos. For breakfast today, I'm making a delicious chocolate smoothie bowl. This is one of my go-to breakfasts, and all you need is four simple ingredients: a frozen banana, a cup of ice, and then your protein powder of choice and any nut milk. I used coconut milk for this. I usually start off with about 4 ounces. You want to try to add not too much because then it'll turn soupy. Now it's time for our delicious toppings. So I do a combination of fruit, nuts, seeds, and coconut. The salmon that I used for my recipe is the Wild for Salmon already made burgers. They come delivered to your door, frozen. They're delicious. They're wild caught. I'll leave a link in the description box so you could check out their brand, and there's also a coupon code. All right, so for this salmon, I'm just cooking it for one. If you need to add more, just double up on everything. I just put a teaspoon of olive oil on a hot skillet, and then I'm gonna prepare the salad. I just have a bed of spinach. I'm cutting up a Hass avocado. I usually use about 1/4 or half the avocado, just depending on how many fats I want to get in that day. But then the star of the show is our chipotle mayo. It's so easy to make. I just get a teaspoon of mayo and a little bit of sriracha sauce. Depending on how spicy you want it, you can add more, a little bit of lemon. And then I add the hot salmon burger onto the spinach. It'll like kind of wilt, have a little bit of wilt, a little bit of fresh. It's so good. Spread that spicy chipotle mayo, add the avocado, and then for dressing, you're just gonna do a drizzle of olive oil, more lemon, a little bit of sea salt. For my carb, I'm just adding some little crackers for crunch, and it gives it that nice little touch. So today's snack is just one of my go-to snacks, these beautiful heirloom tomatoes that I get from Trader Joe's with about 1/4 of a cucumber. I just slice them up. I add some olive oil. The Costco balsamic vinegar is delicious. A little bit of sea salt, basil, and then sometimes I'll pair it with some hummus or just have it by itself. All right, it's about 6 p.m. and I'm gonna do my workout. I typically try to get it in early, but today I was just really busy with the kids, but I'm gonna get it in now. It's shoulder day. I just pull it up on my laptop and work out here in my gym, baby. The world's best gym ever. Fire. Now it's time to go wash up and go make dinner for the family. So depending on the day, if I need a little chocolate or sweet fix, I will just have one of these, either chocolate peanut butter or chocolate cherry almond bars. They hit the spot and they're delicious. I'll leave a link in the description so that you can check them out. For dinner tonight, I'm having one of my favorite things to eat. I'm just grilling up some New York strip. I would grill it like this, but ain't nobody got time for that. I'm just gonna cut them up into chunks and cook them really fast in a skillet with a little bit of olive oil. And then to season it, I just use sea salt. I don't use anything more to season my steak. I think the flavor of the fat and the meat with sea salt is perfect. So there's 2 ways you can chop up your steak. You can do it the slow man's way or be even more efficient and just do one long swipe across and then down the meat. Voila! It's just an easier way. I just season it with the salt, move it all around, toss it all around, and add it to the hot skillet. The steak will cook up pretty fast, so in the meantime, I'm gonna just put a sweet potato in the microwave in my little hot potato express for 5 minutes. If you're just doing one, it's only like 3 minutes. And then I'm gonna add some cauliflower to steam for my cauliflower mash. For the cauliflower mash, you're just gonna need butter, sea salt, and a little bit of coconut or almond milk, and just put it all in a processor once it's been steamed. I'm gonna add my steak. You wanna make sure that the oil is really hot so that it gets nice and crispy, and I like mine medium rare. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is very typical of what I eat every day. If you wanna see more, leave a comment below and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching.